Hey, what's up everybody? I told you it was coming. Here it is, the all-new TECCPO Brushless drill driver. This company just came out of nowhere and now they're everywhere. Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Amazon. Really good prices on this drill driver with everything you get. Let's take a look at this thing. They just had a huge sale on Amazon with this drill driver. Basically about 60-70 bucks, you got this whole kit. You got two 20-volt batteries. What's nice about the batteries, you also get the battery indicator light here. The kit also comes with a charger. It's pretty quick, only 30 to 35 minutes to fully charge a 2AH battery. Only issue with the battery charger I found was you can't hang it on the wall. You also get a belt clip. It'll go on the left or the right hand side, but check this out. This case comes in the kit. You get all of these different bits. Really cool. Got that nice little carrying case. Now we're not going to use these bits here. I'm just telling you, you get that with the kit. So far you got the 2AH batteries, the charger. You're going to get this kit right here. You even get the tight space tool, this nifty little thing right here that if you got a really tight area that you got to get into, just hook that up right to the drill. Now you can just about reach anywhere you need to. Very cool. And you also get the soft carrying case. So really, you get a lot for what you're paying for. Now, usually the price as of now is about $120. I'll put the link in the description below on Amazon. But again, they had a huge sale. I wouldn't be surprised if you see that again. But metal chuck, metal clutch, you know, everything feels really solid on the gun. You know, we did the impact driver review. I'll put that card right up above here. But yes, it is brushless. A lot of people are talking about how much these actually look like DeWalt. Got the LED light right here. Really bright, stays on for about 8 seconds. Here's your different clutch settings, goes up to 21. And you also got the impact, the drill, and then the driver right there. Got that little arrow pointing where you want to be. Now I will tell you, this right here, when you go to change to the drill, to the impact, and so on, it sticks a little bit. You know, you have to make sure that you put your hands or your fingers right on that grip area, because if not, if you push too hard, you can see it comes up a little bit. You can see it kind of deform a little bit. That was one issue I found with it, but other than that, you know, if you put your hands right on that area right here, it will turn okay for you. I'm just giving you an FYI. Now you got your low and high switch right here. No low speed on low up to 500 RPM, and then on high up to 2000 RPM. Just in case I haven't mentioned, the chuck capacity, 1/2 inch. All right, so over here you got your lock button, forward and reverse. Nothing real special on this here. It's, you know, kind of lacking the bells and whistles that you're used to, but for the price, again, you really can't touch it. Now I will say that it does have a variable speed. I'll let you hear it right now. Now let's do some work. Now I'm putting in a 5/16 bit. This is the new Milwaukee bits. I'll show you those here in a bit, but let's tighten this down here. Let's throw this in regular drill mode real quick. All right, we're gonna go into mode 1, treated 4x4. All right, so far no issues on low. You do have to pull that out to clean out those flutes. You're not just gonna pull through this thing here with this, but definitely has enough power to go down through on low. All right, let's kick this up on high, see what it does. You can hear it wanting to bog a little bit, but hey, once you pull that out, it's right back to work. Let's try a 1-inch spade bit. I think I just hit a nail. I think it's about time that I get a new 4x4. All right, on this one I actually hit a knot and it still went through, no issues. Now you can hear it bog down. I will tell you, this is not going to be a professional grade unit. This is for the DIY. Now you can see it did stop up a couple times here. Just let it set for a second and then pull that trigger again, it'll go down. Now, one other little issue that I did pick up on this was the chuck. When you're going a little bit slower, you can see that it's not balanced 100% perfectly. There is a little bit of a wobble on that. The way I picked up on that was on the bits. You can see that they were just moving enough that your eye would catch it. And then I paid a little bit more attention to that actual chuck itself, and you can see there is wobble on that. So that's something that you might want to look at. TECCPO. You can see here on the bit again, a little bit of wobble. Once you speed it up, it's not an issue, but the slower speeds, you definitely see it. All right, we got some brand new Milwaukee impact bits. We're gonna go through some concrete right now. Let's see how this does. We're gonna put this on the hammer drill mode. We're not even gonna mess around. We're just gonna go full bore. We're gonna put it on high and go for it. Now, TECCPO did state that they were coming out with a 4.0 battery within the next couple months, so that should definitely help out with the power. It's still going down through. You got to add a little bit of pressure, but it's still doing the job. Now, I did have a full battery charge on this before I did it, just to let you know the battery was not dying, but hey, at the end of the day, it did the job. You know, it starts out really quick, and then once you start getting down in there, it starts to bog down a little bit, but it still completes the job. And here's some metal. This is 1/8 of an inch. Now, this does offer up to 530 inch-pounds of torque. You got 21 different clutch settings, plus 3 on here with the impact and the driver and all that good stuff. But all in all, you get a lot of settings on this impact driver. As far as weight goes, 8.3 pounds, so it is a little bit heavier, but at the same time, it's not huge. I mean, it's a nice size driver. You know, you get the 29 accessory bits, you got the 1 tool storage bag, and you get the 2-year warranty, so that's pretty nice. You get a 2-year warranty on this drill driver itself, and you got the shaft, the metal clutch, you got pretty much everything you need on here, the belt buckle clip. All in all, I mean, it's a solid drill driver for the price for the DIYer, the person at home that wants to get some work done. I really think once they come out with the 4.0 batteries, it's really going to add a little bit more power to get through those applications a little bit quicker. But all in all, you know, it's pretty smooth. It feels pretty good in the hands. You know, when it comes to slip and resistance on this, you know, you don't have that texture like you would on a lot of the other tools, but you know, it does have a nice feel on this drill driver. So at the end of the day, check it out. I think the price is great. I'll put the link in the description below. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Check us out at www.toolreviewsdone.com. We'll be back with more videos soon.